What kind of equipment requires 67 containers for packing? What is the fully automated production of car battery trays like? Hello, everyone! We are located at the HGTECH Intelligent Equipment Industrial Park. What I'm going to introduce today is this ultra-long intelligent production line behind me, which is 150 meters long and has over 60 workstations. This is the fully automated aluminum alloy battery tray production line that HGTECH has carefully crafted for a leading foreign automotive parts company. It's currently being installed and debugged. It will soon be disassembled and packed. Expected to be delivered by the end of October. This is HGTECH's first battery tray production line exported to the EU. The full welding process for a new energy vehicle's battery tray can be completed in just 166 seconds. The fully automated production process is incredibly smooth. What impressive capabilities are hidden in this production line? Now, let's invite our staff to reveal the secrets behind it.
This production line is custom designed by us for the overseas new energy market. It uses fully automated technology. It covers more than 10 processes, including CMT, friction stir welding, SPR. It consists of 22 processes in total. It improves welding quality and efficiency. The production line can achieve an annual output of 100,000 units.
In 2018, HGTECH created the world's first intelligent laser wire feed welding equipment for aluminum alloy battery trays. In just 9 months, HGTECH completed what took foreign companies 2 years to research. HGTECH's proprietary anti-deformation welding technology and process research ensure that the welding deformation of battery boxes is controlled within 1 millimeter, with a welding yield rate of over 99%. Subsequently, HGTECH went on to create the first domestic high-strength steel battery tray laser welding production line, as well as the first domestic high-strength steel battery tray laser scanning welding intelligent equipment, among other projects. Currently, HGTECH holds a 60% market share in the domestic market.